Hi everyone, I'm Cody with Johnston RV Center in North Alabama. And today, I'm going to talk to you about one of the vital components, the functionality of your camper. That is your RV power converter. So first, let's answer the question, what is a power converter and what does it do? This is a power converter, and it is responsible for taking the 110 electrical input and converting it to a 12 volt electrical output. Now, this is important because that keeps your battery charged. It also supplies the 12 volt feed to numerous components throughout the camper in order for them to work properly. Your slide motors all require a 12 volt power source. In modern campers, your 12 volt refrigerator also requires a 12 volt power source. And other things like circuit boards and air conditioners and blower fans in your furnace all require that 12 volt power source. So without this component doing its job, those things cannot work like they should. So at this point, you may be asking yourself, where is my power converter? You're going to be looking for your distribution panel. This is the panel where all of your fuses and breakers are at. The power converter will be located behind this distribution panel. So now that we have the panel face off, we can see that this Rockwood is equipped with a WFCO deck mount power converter. Now this power converter is actually one of their auto detect models, which means no matter what battery type you have equipped on your camper, this converter is going to recognize that battery type and supply the correct charge voltage for that battery type, which is a good thing for you, the end user, because it is a hands-off event. The power converter will recognize the battery and take care of it itself. 80% of RV manufacturers choose the WFCO brand as their power converter, and there's good reason for that. I've worked at Johnston RV Center for 10 years, and I've worked in service all of those years. And I can say from firsthand experience that the WFCO power converters have been very reliable. But they're backed by a 2-year warranty, and they have a fantastic technical support team who is ready to answer questions for both you, the end user, and us, the dealer, whenever we make call. There are plenty of times where at the service center we run into issues and we need that outside help. We call, we get answers quickly, which is great for you, the end user, because we want you out there using your camper, not being at the shop having repairs done. So if you find yourself in need for a power converter, I highly recommend the WFCO brand. Make sure that you get a genuine WFCO product. You can always look for their branding, which you will find on their packaging and on their product.